Hi everyone, I'm Shanmuka. Welcome to my channel Crazy Things. Today we are doing DIY solar system for school projects. First, we have to take cardboards, cut it into round shape. Take 7 cardboards, big to small, round shape. Color with black like shown in the video. The universe is a huge space which contains everything that exists. All the heavenly bodies, such as sun, the moon, and the stars, which are seen with the naked eye, and many more bodies, such as planets. Stick the round-shaped cardboards, big to small, with the help of small cardboard stands like shown in the video. Take planet drawings and stick with toothpicks and fix all these planets like shown in the video, and lastly sprinkle white color on cardboard. Then solar system DIY ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.